which is really good. Okay, because you don't have to do download and other things. But yeah, let's see. Apply for PRTD. I don't have a valid PR card. Like let's say you went out of Canada and your PR card got expired and you want to come back. UCI. Okay, 8 or 10 digit number. So whatever it is, put it. Language of correspondence. English. Let you become PR. Do it as per your own pace. I'm putting sample, guys. Place you become name. Let's say you became at Toronto Pearson Airport. In your PR card itself, you'll find this. Personal details. Enter your name exactly as shown on landing record, confirmation, or last PR card. Okay. Do it as per your own pace. Enter your current name if different from above. But if it is correct, same, nothing needs to be done. Physical characteristic, gender, date of birth. So let's say, let's make it 1996. Sorry. Country or territory, let's say Indian national. Also enter your country or territory, let's say Indian national, as I said, do it as per you. You have more than one country or territory citizenship, please list all others there. So let's say, okay, for India, India does not allow dual nationality. So this is not even applicable. So, I mean, this is not going to happen because India does not allow dual nationality. Okay. But yes, if you have, based on your circumstances, definitely do it. Current residential address. So provide whatever your address, PO box by PO box. Yes. Address outside Canada. Okay. So let's say you are in Delhi. Primary telephone number. I select Canada, yes, other than phone. I mean, if you have like, if let's say you're in India and you have an Indian phone number active there, provide that one. The sample number. Alternate telephone number, not mandatory, but if you have definitely, especially that will help you if they try to contact you and your main phone number is not possible. Would you like to call? Would you like us to contact using the email address provided for this account? Yes. Then it automatically picks that up. Otherwise, if you select no, you can change it with any other email that you have not used for this account. Current marital status. I select single, whatever it is. Looks like I have missed something. That's why I see. Oh, permanent. The sample guys don't do that, please. Immigration. Have you been issued a removal order from that? I said no. Verified inadmissibility report. No. Have you ever lost your status as PR in Canada? I said no. Appeal to immigration decision on residence obligation? No. Have you been issued any of the following documents? I'm just unchecking. Do it as per your case. Personal history. Address history, inside and outside. List address for past 5 years, or if you become PR less than 5 years, your address history since becoming. List your activities in order most recent. Okay. So let's say right now you are out of country from provide full address, city time, Delhi, province, Delhi, country, India. Row table place all field activated. Okay. Order from most recent to the oldest. Okay. So before that, 2020, 01 to 25, 09, 20, and that's it. Tomorrow. Work and education is trying. Would work for the past 5 years if you become future. Okay. Since becoming a year. Worked on. Okay, do it as per your own case. Say activity. Okay. If you have not worked or studied, yeah. If you have worked, then provide that work. Okay, fine. Activity. Let's say down tomato and uh, what does it say? You can instead of doing you can do position also. IT analyst. Looks like I have missed something. What have I missed? You know what I have missed? Save the table. This. I mean, no gaps in history. So 01, 29, blah blah blah. Have I missed anything? Doesn't look like that one. Oh, sorry about that, but yeah, I'm gonna fix it. Address outside. Fine. Maybe I should not have clicked that button. 502. This is also fine. 512. Set it down. New Delhi. Delhi. Do it as per your own case, guys. Do what I'm doing. Next is time spent outside Canada. Have you ever lived outside in the past 5 years? I said yes. Have you been employed full-time basis by Canadian business outside Canada? No. Company person who's your spouse, partner? No. PR who is time spent outside Canada. Okay. Okay, so this was already picked up from the previous screen. Okay, it wanted one bubble. Okay, processing this. Okay, for in this period they are assessing. In order to please review the date you entered some date to be on consent. Okay, so this is about the absence where you were. So just writing 2025. And, uh, your location, city, Valley, reasons for absence. Do it as per your own case, guys. I'm just reason they have given A. You have been employed full-time basis. You have been accompanying Canadian citizen who is your spouse. Okay, you have accompanying a PR, other employment, studying, vacation, etc. I'll just say family emergency, family issues. You should describe also a bit. Okay, humanitarian officer determine that you do not meet. Okay, this is if an officer determine uh, if you do not meet the residency obligation, you then what humanitarian or compassionate consideration that justify retention. Okay, it's not